Did you know that WordPress was introduced as a blogging platform? However, this website builder platform evolved over time to support more complex functionalities. Within a few years of its introduction, WordPress became one of the most popular content management systems. But the question is, can you build a complex website with WordPress? Yes, you can build a complex website with WordPress. One of the most attractive aspects of WordPress is its scalability, which makes it an ideal platform for websites that grow. WordPress offers the required flexibility to expand your website as needed. Here are 6 reasons why WordPress is suitable for complex websites. Number 1. Easy for non-technical users. You do not have to be tech-savvy to manage a large website powered by WordPress. WordPress has thousands of well-supported themes that create a framework to work with. The navigation is well laid out, so you can easily find your way around. Number 2. Immense flexibility. WordPress has an impressive number of themes and plugins. Not only does it allow you to design your website with a relevant theme, but you can also change it in the future if the need arises. The wide array of plugins allows users to add or remove any feature they want. Number 3. Plugins for almost everything imaginable. WordPress plugins cover everything from monitoring site activity, giving SEO inputs, and preventing site attacks. These plugins are written in PHP, and they seamlessly integrate with WordPress. You can add all functionalities to your website by finding a suitable plugin for a feature that you need. Install the plugin, configure it, and you are ready to go. Number 4. Open source code. Since all the code is shared and used by developers, you can easily find an expert to help you with your website development and maintenance. If you are unable to develop the website on your own or the original developer moves out, you have other options. There is a huge community of users and developers who can assist with upgrades and maintenance issues. Number 5. WordPress is self-sufficient. WordPress as a CMS covers almost every functionality and eliminates the need for additional software and coding. Whether it is to create and publish new blog posts, upload images, have e-commerce features on your website, collect data, or add video files, WordPress is suitable for all needs. You also have full ownership and control over your data. Number 6. Supports multiple users. Complex websites usually have multiple users. With WordPress, you can enable access for all these users and with varying levels of control. WordPress can power sites with high volumes of customers and data storage. Okay. Now that you know WordPress can create complex websites, do you want to know about the cheapest tools to build and run a website? I have created Website Builder's Toolbox that will give you this list of cheap tools. Click the link below this video to get the Website Builder's Toolbox. And, if you liked this tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more tutorials like this.